this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to take you in and show you how to get to dark mode and light mode. It's a shortcut that you can put on your phone so you don't have to go to the settings app to do it. So stay tuned for this video. What you want to do is sign into your phone, and what we're going to do today is we're going to go into the settings app. So you want to find your settings app on your iPhone. You can see mine with the circle and the arrow. Just click on your settings app. We're going to go in and show you how to take a shortcut to get to dark mode and light mode. So click on settings, and in here you want to go down to the third column, and you want to click on Control Center. Click on Control Center. And in here you want to go Customize Controls. So you want to click on Customize Controls. And inside here, add and organize additional controls to appear in your control center. So include. So everything that you see under include is already there on my control panel. Scroll down and more controls. So this enables you to add these others. So what we want to do is, just for this video, I want to show you how to add dark mode. This is a shortcut. So dark mode is in the second column. More controls. You want to click on the plus sign, and you'll notice that dark mode has been added. So if we swipe from the top corner down, you'll see that dark mode is at the very bottom where the arrow is. If I click on it, it puts me in dark mode. Just get out of there. So now you can see that I'm in dark mode. Scroll from the top down and click on dark mode again. We're back to light. Click anywhere in the screen in the white area, and here we go. So, and you can organize these if you want dark mode up or down. I'm just going to leave it where it is because it's conveniently located at the bottom. It's very easy for me to come into my phone and swipe down and then click on dark, or if I want it light. So then you want to get at a control panel and go back into settings. Okay, that's it for this video. Just wanted to bring you in, show you a shortcut to get to light mode and dark mode. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this with others, and please comment on how well you like the video. Thank you for watching, and until the next one, cheers. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified, and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. After watching the video, scroll down and you'll see the thumbs up. Just click on the thumbs up and let us know that you liked the video. And if you want more information on GIT Get Into Technology, you can click on more, and you can scroll down here. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you continue on. Please leave us a comment on what you thought about the video, how it helped you move forward, and what problem it solved. And you can just left click and then type your message in here and come over to the far right side and click on comment. If you have any questions regarding what you watched today, or you need help with something, please leave a question inside the comment section and we will answer it for you. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology. Remember to subscribe to GIT Get Into Technology and you want to click the bell notification to get notified of any new videos coming out and to stay up to date. And you want to also click up above to watch the latest video that's on our channel. Please check out GIT Get Into Technology. Thank you.